Are you looking for the top 5 best adjustable dumbbells for home workouts? How much should you actually spend on adjustable dumbbells? You see options that are super cheap and others that break the bank. But here's the thing, price doesn't always equal quality. Let's break down the best options out there so you can make an informed choice.
Product number 1, FitPlam 5-in-1 Dumbbell Set. The FitPlam adjustable dumbbell set caught my eye immediately at just $79.99. It's priced quite competitively, especially considering it's a 5-in-1 weight set that can be used as dumbbells, kettlebells, barbells, and even push-up stands. If you want versatility in your workouts, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5-in-1 design means you can switch up your workout without needing multiple pieces of equipment, saving space and money. Each dumbbell can be adjusted to weights between 6.5 to 22.5 pounds, so you can increase resistance as you get stronger. Plus, the double lock nut system provides extra safety, so you can focus on your form without worrying about your weights rolling off. This setup has already sold over 3,000 units in the past month, proving it's popular for a reason. Now, some people complained about the assembly being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it works smoothly and is quite secure. If you're someone who doesn't mind a little initial setup, this is a great option. This is perfect for you if you're looking to maximize your home workout without cluttering your space with different weights. Skip this one if you're looking for a straightforward dumbbell with no extra functions, as the 5-in-1 feature might feel overwhelming. Now, if FitPlam's assembly process bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, TYZD-MY Adjustable Dumbbells. Next up is the TYZD-MY Adjustable Dumbbells, retailing at $259.99. This set offers a pair of dumbbells that can be adjusted to 15 different weights, from 5 to 52.5 pounds. If you want precision in your strength training, this one's worth considering. The 1-second weight adjustment feature is huge. You can switch weights quickly without stopping your workout, which is ideal if you're doing circuit training or need to make swift changes. The robust double auto-locking design ensures that the weight stays securely fastened, giving you peace of mind while lifting overhead. With over 1,000 of these sold in the past month, it's clear that this set has been well received. However, some users found them a bit bulky, especially if you're short on space. But honestly, if you're serious about strength training, the versatility and speed of adjustments make it a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you want a solid, reliable adjustable dumbbell set for serious strength training at home. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, as there are more affordable options available that may suit casual users better. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need more budget-friendly choices. Product number 3, FearDone DS2 Dumbbell Set. Third on our list is the FearDone DS2 Adjustable Dumbbells, priced at $89.99. This set stands out for its multifunctionality. It can be used as dumbbells, kettlebells, barbells, and more. If you want to maximize your home gym without breaking the bank, then this is worth a look. The 4-in-1 design lets you do a variety of exercises, from squats to bench presses, all while using one set. The adjustable weights range from 6 to 22.5 pounds for dumbbells, making it flexible for all fitness levels. The plates are crafted from high-density iron sand, which means they're sturdy and won't shake or rattle during your workout. With over 1,000 sold recently, it's gaining traction fast. Now, some folks have mentioned that the weight adjustment process can feel a bit clunky at times. But here's the deal. Once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate how easy it is to switch weights during a workout. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, multifunctional option for your home workouts. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward, traditional dumbbell setup without the added features. Plus, for under $90, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the FearDone's adjustment process worried you, let's look at something even simpler. Product number 4, Amazon Basics Adjustable Dumbbells. The Amazon Basics Adjustable Dumbbell Set comes in at a budget-friendly $49.99. This set is straightforward, making it a great pick for beginners. If you're just dipping your toes into weight training and don't want to spend a lot, this option is for you. What I love about this set is its simplicity. It includes two 3-pound handles and a variety of plates to create a total of 38 pounds. This means you can easily target specific muscle groups or incorporate it into a full body workout. The weight adjustment is as easy as sliding plates on and off. With over 1,000 sold this month, it's a popular go-to for those just starting out. However, some users mention that the weights feel a bit limited for advanced lifters. But honestly, if you're a beginner or someone who does lighter workouts, this set does the job perfectly. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for an affordable way to start strength training. Skip this one if you're more advanced and need heavier weights to challenge yourself. For under $50, it's a great starter set. All right, that brings us to our last option, which is a solid alternative for those looking for another multifunctional choice. Product number 5, UNMIY 5-in-1 Dumbbell Set. Finally, we have the UNMIY 5-in-1 Dumbbell Set, also priced at $79.99. It's similar to the Fit Plan option, but offers some unique features, making it worth considering. If you want something versatile and easy to use, this might be the one. This set lets you use it as dumbbells, barbells, kettlebells, and even push-up stands. The detachable design means you can adjust the weight from 2 to 22.5 pounds, which is perfect for beginners and intermediate users alike. The locking nuts are upgraded to enhance safety, and it also features a comfortable ergonomic design. With 1,000 sold recently, it's definitely gaining popularity. Still, some users found the weight adjustment process could be a bit cumbersome at times. But honestly, once you get used to it, the variety of exercises you can perform makes it worth the minor hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional workout system that doesn't take up too much space. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional single-function dumbbell. For under $80, it offers fantastic value for the features you get.
So to recap, the FitPlam and ONUME sets are great for versatility. The TYZDM shines for quick adjustments, while the Fair-Done is budget-friendly and multifunctional. Lastly, the Amazon Basics set is perfect for beginners. Choose what fits your workout needs best, and you'll find the right adjustable dumbbell set to help you reach your fitness goals.